Hi everyone, welcome to Meet Charles Show. Remember to hit the notification bell to receive all videos from this channel. Have you heard of the prominent Asante tribe of Ghana? In the 16th century, Europeans who visited Ghana, then known as the Gold Coast, mispronounced the word Asante as Ashanti. Ashanti will remain in books to this day. Alright, let's dive right into the conversation. The stories of the Ashantis or Akans in Ghana are filled with wisdom and life lessons. The oral stories or narratives have been passed down through generations, preserving the knowledge and values of the Akan people in West Africa. His Royal Majesty King Osei Tutu II is the custodian of the traditions and customs of the Ashantis, a prominent tribe within the Akan ethnic group. Many paramount chiefs of Ghana pledge allegiance to King Osei Tutu II. At the Marchia Palace in Kumasi, the capital of the Greater Ashanti region, King Osei Tutu II meets periodically with numerous paramount chiefs from various regions of Ghana for traditional arbitration or dispute settlement, chieftaincy affairs, and festivals. King Osei Tutu II has delivered keynote speeches at the UN Assembly, prestigious gatherings, and ceremonies for corporate and professional audiences. The Ashanti people of Ghana believe that oral history and storytelling are powerful means of teaching essential lessons and preserving their cultural heritage. Through narratives, the old folks convey respect, loyalty, and perseverance. The tales of the Ashanti people of Ghana are entertaining and reflect the rich history and traditions. The stories offer valuable insights into their way of life and the principles guiding their actions. So, next time you hear an Ashanti or Akan story, take a moment to listen closely and uncover the wisdom or lesson hidden within. Don't miss this insightful look into the heritage and beliefs of the Ashantis of Ghana in West Africa. We truly appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to Meet Charles Show for exciting cultural explorations and captivating insights into the beautiful traditions that make our world so vibrant.